In today's video, we're exploring the best video editor maker apps for Android that can help you create and enhance amazing videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these apps offer a range of features to elevate your video editing game. Let's jump in. Qopro Quick Video Editor. Qopro Quick Video Editor is a user-friendly app designed for quick and efficient video editing. It provides a simple interface that allows users to trim, cut, and merge video clips effortlessly. With various editing tools, including text overlays, music integration, and filters, you can enhance your videos in no time. Qopro also offers speed adjustment options, allowing you to create slow motion or fast-forward effects easily. This app is perfect for beginners looking to create quick video edits for social media or personal use without a steep learning curve. Capcut Video Editor. Capcut Video Editor is a powerful and feature-rich editing app that has gained popularity among content creators. It comes with a variety of advanced editing tools, such as multi-layer editing, transitions, and keyframe animations, giving users creative control over their projects. Capcut also offers a vast library of music tracks, sound effects, and stickers that can be added to enhance your videos. Additionally, the app supports high-resolution exports, ensuring your final videos look professional. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners, while offering enough depth for more experienced editors. VN Video Editor Maker. VN Video Editor Maker is an excellent app for both amateur and professional video creators. It features a clean, easy-to-navigate interface and provides a comprehensive set of editing tools. Users can cut, trim, and merge clips, add music, voiceovers, text, and transitions seamlessly. VN also supports multi-track editing, allowing you to layer audio and video tracks for more complex projects. Another notable feature is the preset filters and color grading options, which help enhance the visual quality of your videos. With its powerful features and regular updates, VN is a top choice for anyone looking to create polished videos on their Android device. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of Qopro, Capcut, and VN Video Editor helps you find the perfect app for your video editing needs. Until next time, happy editing!